Hello my friends, my name is Dragonheart, the Prince of Wales, and welcome to my channel. In this video, we shall be looking at 30 days to become a better streamer. But before that, let's hit the intro. Okay, so in this video, like I said, we're going to be doing 30 days, 30 videos, all of which will help you become a better streamer. I'm a streamer myself. I stream on Twitch. Link to my channel in the description below. I stream on Friday evenings UK time. Occasionally I stream on a Saturday, and I also stream on a Sunday afternoon as well. So I'm going to start off by talking about the scope of this series, and then I'm going to branch out into my own personal experiences and why I feel like I'm in a good position to help you guys. This series is aimed at people who are brand new streamers, or people who are perhaps not doing as well as they could, or perhaps not enjoying it and have perhaps lost their way a little bit. Or maybe you're a streamer who's quite experienced, but you want to refresh some of the things that perhaps you're not doing, or give you some ideas to perhaps help improve your stream. I feel like this series has a video there that will help you one way or another. What we're going to be doing, we're going to be looking at some of the technical aspects, so things that can help you with regards to the visuals and the audios, alerts and that kind of thing. The usual stuff that you'll get on YouTube, on tutorials and stuff, but from my point of view, of course. You're also going to be getting some kind of mindset discussions as well about things that will help you, such as mood, such as things you should be aiming for, goals, that sort of thing as well. We're going to look at the community aspect, we're going to look at the social media aspect, we're going to look at little tips and tricks, things that I've discovered as I've gone through my own streaming journey throughout the past few years, and take it from there really. And like I said, there should be something in this series that will hopefully help you in some way, so please make sure to check out the playlist. Every episode will be released throughout the next 30 days and will be released at 6 o'clock UK time in the evening, so make sure to check out the channel if that interests you. The reason why I'm doing this as 30 individual videos is to have a video focus for each specific thing. If I put it all into one video, the video could end up being an hour long, whereas people might want to find one specific thing which they will find helpful. So I wanted to break it down to 30 days. I watched a YouTuber called Tim Schmoyer, who does the Video Creators channel, and he did a book a few years ago which was called 30 Days to Become a Better YouTuber. So I'm applying that kind of style, but I'm going to do it to obviously streaming on Twitch. So hopefully, like I said, this should help in some way. So my own streaming journey actually started in 2013. I set up my YouTube channel on 2013, and I did YouTube videos, I did Let's Plays, I did guides, reviews, all sorts of different things to do with gaming and a few other things as well. And then in 2015 I started streaming. That was my big sort of ambition to do with gaming. So I set up my Twitch channel. I started streaming on Twitch for about a year, and then after a year I noticed that YouTube gaming was starting to become a thing. YouTube started pushing its streaming services. It changed things. It had the YouTube gaming page, and I jumped ship. I went over to YouTube gaming to give that a go. Now at the time I was living in my parents' house. I didn't have very good internet, so my streams weren't very good quality. So I'm talking from somebody who's a much smaller streamer, who perhaps I can identify with many of you watching, but also somebody who struggled with bad internet as well. So I know what it feels like to feel quite down when you want to be able to stream, but you just can't offer the quality that perhaps other people can. So I eventually jumped ship to YouTube, like I said, when they pushed the YouTube gaming thing at the back end of 2015. I joined many different streamers on Twitter and Discord and stuff, many different groups. Some of the groups I was involved in was with streamers who are much bigger, who are now full-time streamers who do this as a living, many of whom are also Google employees, people who've worked in the background on YouTube. And in these sort of meetings and stuff, they were giving us kind of the heads up on updates and ideas and stuff that was sort of being implemented on YouTube at the time. So I had a bit of an inside knowledge on things back then as well. Fast forward to 2020, I've now gone back to Twitch quite recently because I felt like YouTube had kind of lost its way with regards to streaming, with regards to many things, but that's a whole other discussion. But particularly for streaming, they have not kind of implemented many things which I felt like they needed to implement. They haven't really kept up with the competition. So I've since gone back to Twitch to try my hand at streaming on Twitch again and build and develop a lovely community over on there as well. So I'm somebody that's got quite a lot of experience with streaming on 2 different platforms. I have also tried Facebook gaming briefly as well. I'm somebody who has been a part of many different communities to do with streaming, both as a viewer, as a content creator, stream teams, I guess, lots of different kind of things and backgrounds that all merge into who I am today as a streamer. I feel like I have something that I can offer you as a viewer, so please, like I said, check out the video and the series, and we'll go from there. And yes, that is my cat, who decided to jump in right at the last minute to say hi to all of you wonderful people. Anyway guys, if you like the sound of that, then be sure to check it out. I've been Dragonheart. Until next time, goodbye.